Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x power negative 1 equals to 64 square root of x. Let's provide a solution very quickly, and you have to copy what you have. You have x power negative 1, which equals to 64 square root of x. And we know that when we have x on a number raised to the power of negative, means that we have 1 over that number, to mean that we have 1 over x power 1, which equals to 64 square root of here x. Now we can make cross multiplication to get 1 equal to 64x square root of x, and of course here we have to divide 64, and we have to divide 64 to get 1 over 64, which equals to x square root of x. Right? Now by here, in order to remove this square root that we have to square both sides. 1 over 64, then squared should be equals to x square root of x, then here squared, and we have 1 over 64 squared, which equals to x times x. Here have x squared, so we have 1 over 64 squared, which equals to x power 3. And of course here we have 1 over this 64 is equals to, it can be written as 2 power 6, then power 2, which equals to x power 3. And of course this should be 1 over 2 power 12, which equals to x power 3. And of course we have right here 2 power negative 1 over 2 power 12 negative 12 equals to x power 3 right here. What do we have? So we have 2 power negative 4 times 3, which equals to x power 3. So we should write 2 power negative 4 times 3, then power 1 over 3, which equals to x power 3 times 1 over 3. This and this should be cancelled, and this should be cancelled, to get 2 power negative 4 equals to x, and this is 1 over 2 power 4 equals to x. So our x is equals to 1 over 16, as we have it right here. I can say that thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.